Hi there, my name is Amanda Hill, and in this video we're going to share with you one of the easy ways to welcome new members to your community groups on Facebook without actually having to worry about it too much. Because let's face it, we all get busy. And you've probably been in those groups where every week at a certain time you get the Let's Welcome Our New Members. Well, that's because they're playing smarter and using one of the features on the group. So you'll see it in your admin assist section on your Facebook group, and you can just customize a post and make it really, really simple to just say thank you. And you can customize it to a certain degree. So for example, you can tell it when and how often to post. You have a choice of 4 pictures. This would be lovely if we could put our own in, but you can alternate between those 4 pictures just to keep it a little fresher. And you can tell it when you're going to post the first one and when. Now, you can see here, it's also giving you some tips on when your best engagement is. So it's telling us here that on average, posts in our group get the most engagement on Sunday. So hey, why not do it when you're going to get the most engagement? So you can introduce your admins in a comment and you can tag them in the welcome post. And you can just literally click there to do that. So it's easy to do so many little things in admin assist, which will actually add to the richness of your group and to help it grow more. So why wouldn't you just take a little look, see what you can put on autopilot? But of course, it's called social media for a reason. It's about being sociable and having a purpose. Once you've got those sussed, your group should flourish and do really well. Hopefully that's helpful for you.